Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can switch between sound, vibrate and mute mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you want to manage these modes, then you can open the settings. In the settings you want to go to sounds and vibration, and then over here at the top we have these three modes. We have sound, where everything will be played normally with the sound. We also have vibrate, which means that sounds will be disabled, but our device will vibrate when it is necessary. And we also have mute, which means that nothing will happen. This is pretty much the silent mode. We can also temporarily enable the mute mode by tapping on this slider below, and then we can select for how many hours we want to temporarily enable the mute mode. We can also go custom in order to select for how many hours. So let's say 12 hours, and then done. And there we go. We can also see the remaining time over here. In addition to that, we can also open the quick access, so swipe from the top to the bottom twice, and then somewhere over here you will find this button over here, which might vary depending on the mode that you are currently using. So you might have sound, and if you tap on it you will switch to vibrate, and then mute if you press one more time. So you switch between all those modes, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.